what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. As you guys can see, we are in my kitchen and I'm going to be doing a little cleaning experiment. And I am so excited because I have been looking for stuff all over Google and Pinterest to figure out what is going to work for this. So this will be new to me. I've never tried it, so I'm just going to take you guys along with me and we're going to try this recipe and see if it works. What we're trying today is a cleaning method for cleaning stovetops, for glass stovetops. I have tried many different cleaners and it doesn't seem to get the really stubborn like water stains off. Let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you guys the products and then we'll put everything together and see how it goes. For this cleaner, you will need Dawn dish soap and you'll need baking soda and citric acid. And the citric acid, I've never tried to use this before as a cleaning product. I actually ordered this off of Amazon. I think it was like $8 or $9. And the baking soda I got from the Dollar Tree and the Dawn dish soap I got from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna show you guys my stovetop, even though it is so embarrassing how bad it looks and it's just such an eyesore to me. I'm gonna show you guys before what it looks like, so hopefully there will be a difference at the end of the video. This is currently what it looks like, and as you can tell, there's some really stubborn water stains, mainly right here. As you can tell, I usually use this eye on the stove. And there's one right here. There's one on this one as well. And this one I don't really use, so there's not much going on, but it's still really dirty looking, so I'm just hoping it's gonna look better. The first thing we're gonna do is add the Dawn dish soap. So I'm gonna go ahead and squirt that all over this. Especially over the water stains, you wanna get that mainly, but I'm just gonna put it all over because I just wanna give it a really good cleaning. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we are going to put the baking soda over that. Okay, you guys, I think I got the wrong baking soda. It's like a odor thing that you just put in the fridge or wherever you want. So I had to cut it open, so that's why it looks so funny. But yeah, it still works. Okay, so I also forgot to mention that you'll also need a spray bottle. And these you can find at the dollar store as well. The next step is going to be a little different. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of the citric acid and put it in the bottle. Then after you put the 2 tablespoons in, you're going to put hot water in here. And it didn't say like a particular ratio, so I just put like, I'm not sure how much this is, but I just put a little bit here in the bottom. Like, I guess you can just put as much as you'll need. So then after that, you're just gonna spray it on. I don't know if you guys can hear it bubbling. Probably just hear my refrigerator in the background, but it does bubble up when you put it on, and it's pretty neat. So now the next thing we're going to do is just let it sit here for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll probably wait about 30 minutes and then after that we'll go from there. All right, so it's been sitting here for 30 minutes. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take a sponge. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that you'll need this too. So just take this and then you're just going to rub it in a circular motion and mainly concentrating on the really stubborn areas. think it actually does look a little bit better. It's kind of hard to tell right now, but now that I've already scrubbed everything, I'm gonna take the rest of this stuff that's left over and just put it in a bowl, and then we'll wipe it down and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got most of it off, but now I'm going to use regular water and I'm gonna spray it on and just try to wipe the rest of it off. It's looking really good, you guys. I'm really surprised. But I am going to take a cloth now, just a regular dishcloth, and some Windex, and then just shine it up and wipe it down. We'll see what it looks like after that. Holy cow, you guys. I cannot believe this. This is the cleanest that my stove has probably ever looked since I bought it. This really worked well. I did not get every spot out, but it looks so much better. So I'm gonna show you guys the final result. Ta-da! Here is the final result, you guys, and I am so happy with it. There was a really stubborn stain right here, and I think that when I was doing it, I didn't see this when I was cleaning, but if I would have scrubbed it a little bit longer, I think it would have come out. And there's a few little spots here and there, but this one's clean. There's still a little bit left. This ring light picks up every little speck of dust and imperfection, but I think it looks so much better than it did before. I mean, it's not perfect, but I might go over it again. It looks very clean though. I'm super happy with it. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful if you're thinking about doing it. I think it worked really well. I'm super happy with it. I may need to go over it just one more time, like I said. But overall, this method does seem to work. So it's a little bit messy, but if it works good, then that's great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. And let me know if you guys have any questions on this method. Come here, bud. You going to say bye? Oh, sweetie. Say bye. Yes, I love you. I know. Say bye.